The moderator of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana has addressed ministers at the National Ministers' Conference, commending them for upholding and projecting the good image of the church across the country. He expressed appreciation to the ministers for the positive reputation the church enjoys in society, noting that the respect and goodwill spoken of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana is largely a result of how ministers conduct themselves and faithfully represent the church in their various stations.
I want to say a big thank you to all of you for your prayers. I'm sure that all of you know that when people pray for you, you feel the prayers. I'm sure that it is appropriate that we say thank you to you for making sure that the work of the church has not ceased and that we are able to do what we do. Generally also, our ministers have distinguished themselves properly, publicly, and everybody speaks well of our church because of you. And so on an occasion like this, I want to salute you for your public witness, for making sure that as a church, we carry quite a very good name. Our reputation is still very high. And it is not because of those of us at the office, but it is because of you. And we say Aiko to all of you. Thank you very much.
The moderator also reminded the gathering of the ongoing bicentennial celebrations of the church and urged ministers to sustain the momentum beyond the commemorative activities, ensuring that the legacy of the 200 years continues to reflect an effective ministry and discipleship.
And as you know, we have launched the bicentennial celebrations, and the enthusiasm has started picking up. It's important that we keep the momentum. We have also introduced launched the bicentennial Bibles, which are in Krapimtwi, Santitwi, Ever, Gan, and Dangbe.
Touching on the church's strategic vision, he reiterated the Presbyterian Church of Ghana's Agenda 2 Million, encouraging ministers to remain committed to evangelism, discipleship, and church growth in order to achieve the set target.
Associated with the bicentennial is the church growth agenda of the church. And as you all know, we call it Agenda 2 Million. Agenda 2 million, especially for those of you who have just joined this fellowship, is the fact that we seek to grow our numbers to about 2 million, minimum of 2 million by the time we celebrate the bicentennial. At the last count, we have crossed the 1.5 million mark, but that puts us far away from the 2 million, and we need to be more aggressive.
He further spoke on the Kuntunse project, highlighting its importance to the future of the church, and called on ministers to support and promote the initiative for the overall development and mission of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana.
In November, the members of General Assembly Council visited the site. So you can see work going on now on the deck floor of the conference hall. They have started working on that floor, and I'm sure that the next time we'll be seeing pictures, we'll see columns emerge from that floor upwards, getting ready to roof the conference hall. And in doing that, I want to salute you all for your support to the Kutunse project. Amen.
The address formed part of activities at the National Ministers' Conference, which brought together clergy from across the country for reflection, encouragement, and renewed commitment to the work of ministry.